Beard Gallery had the following petty cash transactions in February of the current year. And down below you see that there were, it looks like about 4, 6, 7, 8, about 12 different transactions. So I'll read the first one. On February 2nd, we wrote a $340 check, cashed it, and gave the proceeds in the petty cash box to Reggie Gore, the petty cashier. We'll prepare the journal entry to establish the petty cash fund. We debit petty cash for $340 and credit cash. So in effect, we're transferring money from the general cash account to the petty cash account. Next, we take a look at all the transactions we've had. And then we will prepare a petty cash payment report for February with categories for delivery expense, mileage expense, postage expense, merchandise inventory, and office supplies expense. Now, you can see that petty cash payment report on your screen. And what you see that has been done is that we total all the various transactions by the categories that were indicated. And once we have that information, we're ready to go on to the next step. Once we have the petty cash payment report in front of us, we have the information to complete requirement 3, which asks us to prepare the journal entries for part 2 to both A, the reimburse, and B, the increase of the fund amount. So you see on the screen the journal entry, and this is a compound entry because we see we have more than just a single account being debited and credited in the entry. We are debiting delivery expense, mileage expense, postage expense, and the other categories based on what we saw and what we determined the balances for in the petty cash payment report. The credit to cash is for $313.88. Now, since the debits or the transactions didn't equal the amount of cash that we had sitting in petty cash, we know that we ran into a situation where we had a cash shortage, and a cash shortage shows up as a debit to represent the dollar amount between the cash we have left and the cash we need to reimburse the petty cash fund to the proper amount. Then on the 28th, we cut the check to reimburse the petty cash. We debit petty cash for $140 and credit cash for the same amount.